Hey, do you have time to enjoy and see the cherry blossoms with your kids?
If not, then listen to our parents' story.
Yes, my name is Gina.
And my name is Emily.
Hey guys, I'm Dimitar.
And
I'm Emily.
Emilio. And actually, we are here coming at you live from the cherry blossoms here in Gary Point in Richmond, British Columbia. We live in Surrey, British Columbia in Canada, and that's the question asked from our kids. Do you have time to enjoy with your kids and enjoy this beautiful cherry blossoms here and the beautiful sunny sun setting here? I know some of you guys can say no just because you are working in full shift. Me and my
Maybe
husband,
multiple jobs.
yes, me and my husband will share with you guys how we got back our time. We can relate with you guys. We used to work alternate shift with my husband. He normally works,
I used to work early in the morning, starting 4 o'clock, guys, and back home like 1 p.m.
yes.
So I can give a turn to my wife so she can go to work.
Yes, alternate shift for us, and I work 4 to midnight shift. And that's the alternate shift that we really need to do because we don't have any family back then to take care of our kids. And of course, babysitting or daycare is so expensive. It's not practical for us, and we cannot afford to do those. So we sacrifice our time to work alternate shift, and we hardly see each other, honestly. So those running around kids there, we haven't, we don't have time like that before.
Always one parent is with them and the other parent is
We
working.
felt like a single mom and dad because we cannot see each other. Not only that, having said that, mom being me, not there to tuck them into bed, that's my most guilt feeling that I have because it's really painful for me not to have time with them. And another thing, Saturday and Sunday used to be a family day, but we also have second job.
Yeah, some
We
side
used to
hustle.
clean houses, banks, cinemas, restaurants, just to have some extra as well because we are breadwinner from our family back home, and this is very important for us, especially if emergency cases, we need to have some extra.
And
That's
the life
why
is very expensive here in Vancouver, guys.
yeah, so that's why we also have a second job. So hardly no time for a family. But thanks God, when we saw an opportunity same like this, we are curious how these people saying while they're on vacationing, they're making extra income. Who can relate for that? Do you think, is it real? Is it true? How you can make money while you're vacationing? So out of curiosity, we click and register our name and email, put it there, and we got all the information that we need. We took the action, and thanks God, we found that there's an online step-by-step video training that you will gonna get as well if you check. And we are here to mentor and coach you. This is what we're doing now for the last 7 years. To cut the story short, if you want to know how to start this online business, all you have to do is click the Learn More button and
Yeah, click the Learn More button, guys. Register to our website. Use your name, use your email address so our system can send to you everything that you need so you can take the next step.
yes, or
We
friend
here-
us.
Of course.
Friend us and reach out to us, send more information, ask questions, and we're here to help you out, guys.
We're here to guide you. To
We
do
are
every
not-
possible thing you to build your own business and you have a successful
There's no qualification as long as you're willing to learn something new. You are hungry for change just like us. You feel guilty with no time with your kids. This is the right opportunity for you. You are, the perfect timing that you saw our ads. There's a reason for that, and just do the next step. Click and register your name and email, and from there we will gonna be friends, and you're gonna get to know more about us, and we can give you all the information and help you to achieve that time and financial freedom. Who doesn't like to have this beautiful weather, enjoying our time with our kids? Where's Emily there? They're just goofing around, and this is the right timing for you to see it. It's a free information, it's a risk-free, and you don't need to worry for anything. Just click and register your name and email to our website, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.
Take care, guys.